Okay, 31. So I'm expecting 3 solutions because it's degree 3. I'm first going to check to see if it factors. So there are 4 terms. 4 terms, 4 is a large group of things. So I'm going to see if it factors by grouping. So covering the right side, if I take out the x squared, I get like 3x minus 11. No way I'm getting 3x minus 11 over there. So that means we're going to have to do the last, which is 2. Numbers that multiply to that are just 1 and 2. And my first number, which is 3, my numbers that multiply to that are just 1 and 3. Pretty short list, which is what we like. 1 over 1 is just 1. 2 over 1 is just 2. And then I have 1/3 and 2/3. So not a bad list. So once again, we're going to test it out in synthetic division. So I'm going to, or actually we're going to test it out in the calculator first. So I go to y equals, and I'm going to type in the equation, 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 11x minus 2. Second mode, because that'll quit me out of it. And now vars, y vars, function y1, and we're just going to try some net values. 1 didn't work. Hit second enter to bring this up again. We'll try -1. Oh, didn't work. Second enter to get that entry again. -2 maybe. That's not working. Probably going to stay away from the negative side of things because it just keeps getting more negative. So I'm going to keep trying positive numbers. Ah, there we go. +2. Check for placeholders. We are all okay on that front. We have x cubed, x squared, and just x. So we are totally set. 3, -11, +11, and -2. So I'm going to drop, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay. So this time I have a quadratic. 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. I like to try to factor it. So doing the glasses thing, I'm going to say, does anything multiply to 3x but add to -5? Well, the only numbers that multiply to 3 are 3 and 1, so nothing is actually going to add to -5, which means we're going to use quadratic formula. X equals -b, so I'm taking the opposite there, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, I know I'm prone to make little algebra mistakes, so I'm going to type this into the calculator. So help me, when you type this into your calculator, you need to put that -5 in parentheses. Parentheses, -5 squared. Oh, dang. Let's try that again. Squared. I'm having issues. Okay, there we go. -5 squared. If it's not in parentheses, the calculator is going to keep it negative because it thinks you only want to square the 5. So once again, you best put that in parentheses. Okay, -5 squared, and this is a minus. It's not a negative. I hit minus 4 times a times c. 15 over 6. And that actually looks like as far as it can reduce, because yeah, those can't break down. That's a prime number in there. So I have this guy from before. I have these two now. So I have 2. I have 5 plus square root of 13 over 6 and 5 minus square root of 13 over 6. And those are my 3 solutions.